Hello friends, this is Ruvia. Welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so today I am here to share my May favorites, April and May combined kind of favorites because मैंने April favorites भी नहीं किया था because it was lockdown and I was at home and nothing that great and all those stuff. So ऐसे ही content बनाने का कोई logic नहीं है. So I thought I'll just club both April and May favorites and just upload in June. So yes, without wasting time, let's go into the video. Okay, so first and most important and most amazing thing is that 5-in-1 lipstick. Yes, and I have made a separate video of that as well. In that I have broken one part of that lipstick. Just go and watch after watching this video. So yes, this 5-in-1 lipstick is superb and I just loved it. If you guys want, just go and try it out. It is really amazing and yes, it is one of my favorite and it will be in my favorites I guess the whole year and more than that. Okay, so next thing is study table. If you haven't bought this yet, then it is must for work from home. Like when you guys are working from home, it is really amazing and really comfortable and superb, and like this is the best product which anyone can have who is working from home. Like this is really a super product. Just go and buy if you guys are working from home. It is really amazing. Like I can't express in words कितना पसंद आया है मुझे ये study table, like laptop table or whatever you want, you can call it. I have used the most in April and May. Okay, next and most amazing thing that I got gift on my birthday, and that's pastel nail paints. Yes, you can see I have applied that only on my nails and I have been applying that only on my nails, and those pastel nail paints are really amazing, superb. The shades are also amazing. Everything is just superb. So yes, you must have seen photographs like my Insta story. Frequently I have been uploading. So you guys must be already knowing I am obsessed over pastel colored nail paints. And next thing I am obsessed is that Nescafe ka cold coffee. Yes, I have tried all the flavors and that also I have updated. Like you know what, if you guys are not following me on social media, just go and pause this video, go and follow me on my Instagram and then continue the video, because I keep on updating everything almost every day on my Instagram about me, about my life and about my favorites and all these stuff. So all these things you must have already seen on my Instagram. Next thing is pizza. Yes, Joy's Pizza. I have ordered so many times. I don't know why I got obsessed over that Joy's Pizza. Till now I used to have Domino's. I was a Domino's girl, but I don't know, Joy's Pizza are more better than that. That's what I feel, and amazing. Yes, like that's superb. If you want, you guys can just go and try that pizza. Next thing is Amul dark chocolate. Yes, if you guys don't know, I mostly eat dark chocolates because I love dark chocolates than normal ones. Yes, so till now I used to have Bonville, but currently I tasted somewhere Amul chocolate, and yes, Amul dark chocolate are far better than Bonville, I feel. So I don't know, Amul has different space in my heart. Amul ice cream, Amul is something different. Like for me, that's feeling I feel, not the brand or the company. That's the feeling for me. So Amul ke products are something special in chocolates and ice creams. I love them. Okay, next thing is this face roller, Jade face roller. Yes, this is what it is called, and we have to use on our face before sleep. And what's the use of this is that it helps to increase the circulation of blood over your face and it glows your face, it slims down your face, and as you guys know, I have chubby cheeks. So yes, this is what I have heard and I have been using this since last 10 to 15 days, but I am not that consistent, so I won't claim anything like does it work or not, but I am pretty liking it. Like I am enjoying this, so I have been using this since last 15 days. Now the next thing is this scalp massager. Yes, this is really a super product. I just love this. That's why it has to be in my favorites product, and I feel this is going to be everlasting in my favorites. The best use of this is that you don't spoil your nails, especially for the girls like me who have long nails and always struggle while shampooing their hair. So this really helps. This is really amazing. If you want a detailed review of this product, just let me know in the comment section. I would love to do this. I ordered this as well from Amazon. I'll put the link of this in the description box, but I am like in love with this product and I'm going to carry this everywhere now. It's like I won't wash my hair without this. This is really amazing. Yes, so okay, so the favorites of these 2 months are really precise. I have selected only products which I really loved and not those random products. So yes, everything is really close to my heart and I just loved it and I am obsessed over it and I have been using this again and again and again and again. So you can try any of these products, and if you have already tried, let me know in the comment section which product did you like the most from all of this. And yes, that was all for today. See you in next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on my social medias if you haven't. Just go and follow and do subscribe and click on that bell icon so you'll get notified each time I upload a new video. Bye bye. See you in next video.